Cowboy Carter, time to strike a match and light up this juke joint.
Oh, she got that water, Kingman got that water. Don't act like you don't know. Giddy up, giddy up. Don't put me in gold. Giddy up, back outside, I'm on the road. Giddy up, when the sun goes down. Lay up, can hear her body howl. Feel her eyeing me like how. Heard your man when a hangman coming down. She's a tyrant, every time I ride it. Every time I ride it, make it look so good. Try to justify it. Boy, you know that looking for me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Galine if you're new here. Hey, and if you're a return subscriber, what's popping, bestie? Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to be a part of this channel. I'm feeling so weird whenever I'm like starting my video because I'll be like, what shall I say? But welcome back to my channel, guys. Like you can see, I am outside, and when I tell you the air feels so good and it smells so good. Oh, you hear this? Do you hear it? I love the sound of nature. It feels so amazing. But I just finished running / walking. I did 5.2 miles in total, I think. I'll show you a little screenshot of what the watch says. But I'm about to eat this little bar, this nature bakery bar. It's not my first time trying it, but I think I've had the blueberry one, but it's been a while since I had it, so that's what I'm about to have before I have breakfast. But I'm just about to sit here for a little bit. I'm going to journal and also try to read probably like 5 to 10 pages of this book that I've been reading. I've been reading it for maybe like a week now. I'm not too far. This is what I've read so far, this part. So yeah, it is currently 12:27. Yeah, I can't believe we're already halfway through the year. Halfway. This is insane just to think about, because I feel like just the other day we're celebrating New Year, and then it's already June. That's insane. But this quarter of the year, this quarter of the year, I'm trying to take it slow. I'm trying to be intentional about everything that I do, how I spend my day, how I feel, how I respond to certain things, because the last 5 months has been a lot, especially like from my car accident, from a lot of things, honestly, some stuff that I don't really want to get into. But for the next 6 months, I am really going to stay my best to stay focused on my goals. I wouldn't say like I haven't achieved anything for the first 5 months of the year. I have achieved quite a lot, honestly. It might not be big to some people, but to me, they're pretty big. Honestly, like, why do I care about if it's big to some people? I don't give a fuck. Like, I am in this era of my life, fuck around and find out. That's the era that I'm in right now. I literally fuck around and find out, because guess what? I am doing it scared. I am doing it even when I don't feel like doing it. I am taking a leap of faith on everything, because I've had this scarcity mindset, and it is time to let go of that shit, because it's not benefiting me. It is not benefiting me at all, and why should I stay like that, you know? But anyway, I don't know who needs to hear this. You still have time to achieve your goal. Right now is the time to lock in. I'm literally speaking to myself, because after my car accident, I have been on a funk. Literally, I've been trying to not stay on a funk, but mentally I have been on a funk. Like I might have like one good week, and then the following week, like I am literally crying. Like I can insert a few videos if you guys want to see, because when I tell, like, here and there I've been going through it. Like oh shit, that was such a good catch. That was, even though like my camera, nothing will happen, but that was a good catch. Like, damn, where you going, little mama? Where you going? Where you going? We're not doing this, but anyway, it feels so good just sitting over here. It feels good. But anyway, I'm about to journal, and yeah, let's do this. I'm so excited for the next 6 months of the year, because it's about to be so beautiful. It's about to be so magical. Everything that I am writing down in my beautiful journal, y'all see this journal? You know what's my intention for the year? My intention for this year is literally blooming, because in this season I am blooming. Yes, there's a lot of things that haven't happened yet, but I am my blooming season. My first journal of the, this is my second journal of the year, by the way. Like, I'll show you my second journal. I'm already done with one journal, like literally from front to back, done completely. But this is my second journal. I actually started May 10th. And I'm so excited. I am so excited to continuously writing how I feel, writing my goal, writing my thoughts. Like, I love journaling. If you're not into journaling, this is your sign to get into it. Like, I will always say this. I'm very, very grateful to the ESL teacher that mentioned to me to start journaling, because I didn't know how to express myself as a new immigrant child, children that just came to the United States back 2014, trying to express herself and couldn't express herself. And she told me to start journaling, and since then I've been locked in, and I love that for me, and I'm so grateful for her. But anyway, let me journal, and I will see you guys in a few. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. This is so good.
Kilo fait un moteur chocolat. Fine, fine, oh, bucket. Watch your love for like it. Why not? Soften up the mess. Drop it in the water. Let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind. Hold her hand. And don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley. Pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach. Like the angels do. And you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. And never wait upon the giver. He'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly about.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Yeah, being in Brooklyn or in the city is something else. Like, I can never get used to driving down here. I don't know what it is about like Brooklyn, Queens, or Manhattan. I just can't. Like, I spend 5 minutes here, I'm just so overwhelmed and so anxious. And it's crazy. Downtown Houston, I have no problem with it. Like, it's so calm. Like, I can see myself living there in Houston, like downtown Houston, like I say. But here, Brooklyn, whenever I think of it, I'm just like, but I am here, I'm at the place, but where I park, I'm not sure like if I can stay here. Let me ask somebody. Excuse me, quick question, do you think I can park here? Like, just for a quick second. I know it says there's a water.
Back up.
Behind the
garbage can, like back. There's a pump right here.
Oh.
And then the bus lane right here.
Okay, thank you. You see, that's the thing. Like, I don't know where to park. I do not know where to park down here. But let me move my car before another car come behind me and take the parking spot. I'm gonna go all the way down by the meter and see, because the store that I am going to is like literally right there where he just walk across. But I'm just going to Ali Pearl to change our hair that I purchased not too long ago. It's crazy because I've always purchased hair on Ali Pearl, but I did not know they have a store in New York. Nice also have a store in New York, and it is crazy. So I'm hoping like I can film inside to show you guys like how the storefront look like. But let's get this thing going so I can like head back home, because like being over here, yeah, it is not for me. But yeah, I quickly run to the store and drop off the hair because I was illegally parked, and there's somebody that told me I was gonna buy one of those little parking ticket. They're like, no, it's for commercial truck only. Even if you have it on your dashboard, they're gonna give you $150 parking ticket, and just to pick up your car it will be a total of $400. Ciao. When I tell you, like, I run inside and quickly get out, literally 1 2 3. But right now I am driving back down. I look at what to spend the evening here because like I don't have nothing to do, but honestly that wasn't part of the plan, and it's kind of like very cloudy. Maybe if it was nice out, I would have stayed down here to like walk around and, you know, like enjoy the scenery. But maybe the weather is raining a little bit. I am not having it, and right now I'm heading home. Tell me why it says 2 hours and 15 minutes. It is currently 1:50, and it says that I'm getting home at 4:05. This is absurd, but I just wanted to keep you guys updated. But I might stop at Lulu's house to see the baby. I don't know if I've mentioned to you guys. Actually, no, I haven't mentioned to you because I haven't picked up my camera since the baby was born. Lulu gave birth to her beautiful baby girl. So I think I'm gonna stop by to see them because right now they're down. I think she's at her mom's house. So I'm gonna stop by and check on her and see the baby, because I haven't seen the baby like since last week when she came out of the womb. So we're about to see them But yeah, if it wasn't raining, honestly, I would have stayed down here because it seems like there's a lot happening. But the weather right now, the rain had just stopped, but the weather, let's see, I don't know if you guys can see, it's super cloudy, and people are still out, of course, because this is New York City after all. But for me,
You know, like, do you love me? Do you want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit, some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be a piece of you.
faced, yeah, I just did my makeup. I literally just finished getting ready. I am going to a wedding. One of my closest friend is getting married today, and I just wanted to start the vlog right now. I'm not taking my camera with me. I'll be vlogging on my phone a little bit. This is the outfit. I'm wearing this beautiful long striped dress. It's like a nude color, and at the same time it gives like a little off-white, and it kind of like cinches, it's kind of like cinches you, and the waist is giving like corset vibe a little bit. Yeah, once you see the wedding, you'll be like, oh, okay, I see why you picked this dress, because my friend, this type of dress, that's her vibe, and I just wanted to respect her and wear something, you know, something modest, nothing short, even though I have a little bit of cleavage. It's not too much, but I know this dress will pleases her. But I love my outfit, and I got this dress from TJ Maxx. But yeah, so I'm already late. I'm about to head there. It's a 30-minute drive, and I will see you guys later.
I'm so glad that I got you. Together, we've traveled so many places.
For my parents being deaf, I'm actually gonna be signing my vows. Hey, bear with me, guys. I'm new here.